Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to play the iconic Highway to Hell guitar riff. We'll start with the foundational A5 power chord. To play this, place your first finger on the second fret of the D string and your second finger on the second fret of the G string. Strum the open a string along with these two fretted notes 3 times, creating that powerful, driving sound. This sets the stage for the entire riff, so get comfortable with this initial chord. Next, we transition to the D over F sharp chord. You can achieve this by forming a D major chord shape, but it's crucial to either mute the low E string or ensure you're playing the F sharp note on the second fret of the low E string for that distinct bass. After your 3 A5 strums, play this D over F sharp chord 2 times. Focus on a smooth and quick change between these two chord shapes to maintain the riff's momentum. Now, let's incorporate the G5 power chord into the riff. Place your first finger on the 3rd fret of the low E string and your 3rd finger on the 5th fret of the D string. Strum this G5 power chord 2 times. Immediately after, return to the D over F sharp chord for a single, quick strum. This completes the core chord progression of the riff, creating a dynamic and recognizable sequence. Practice this transition for fluidity. To master the full riff, continuously loop the entire sequence. 3 strums of A5, followed by 2 strums of D over F sharp, then 2 strums of G5, and finally 1 strum of D over F sharp before repeating. Focus on maintaining a consistent, driving rhythm and a strong downstroke. Pay close attention to the original recording to truly capture the authentic feel and timing. With dedicated practice, you'll be rocking this classic riff in no time.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.